Hi everyone, my name is Niharika Bhaktani and I have qualified JRF in Commerce. So welcome to the session of What's the Plan? Yes, the existing students are confused that ma'am when the exams are getting delayed and now finally the exam is on 17th October, then till that date how we will revise and how we will retain the topics in our head, because revision is must, right? The new students are confused that when they have already started preparing for their exams and now their exams will be after few months, right? So when and what topic will be started in the courses ahead, so that they can start their studies, they can plan their studies. So let us discuss in a very brief video that what's the plan for both kind of students. Let's see. For the existing students, I have launched a course, Most Important MCQs of Commerce with Practicals. Yes, it will cover all the practical questions as well. I will be teaching you this in the plus classes, and so that you can quickly apply your mind in exam that how to cover these questions. Also, questions mixture of MCQs, PYQs, recent trends, everything will be covered for all the 10 units of commerce in this course. And I will be soon launching the income tax revision course as well in Unacademy Plus. So if you are already in the Unacademy, if you are a Plus member, then you can just click on the enroll button here, and if you are not on Unacademy, you want to join, then you can use my referral code NEXT28 and you will get a 10% discount on your subscription. Now, for the new students, we have made Ignite Complete course on paper 1. Now, this course will be taken up by 5 educators, and I will be taking your MR, that is Mathematical Reasoning and Logical Reasoning units in this course. Now this course will be starting from 12th October 2020. So you will be getting all the PDFs from 12th October for the new batch. Whatever we will practice, you will get that, okay? And individually on my profile, if you want to enroll, then you can just go on my profile, click on the enroll button so that you do not miss the notification. See, logical reasoning will be starting from 22nd November specifically. Mathematical reasoning will be starting from 12th November. And overall paper 1 from teaching aptitude, it will be starting from 12th October. So one by one unit will be covered by we 5 educators, and the course will be in English, simple basic English. And in commerce, economics I am starting from 9th November, accounting and auditing detailed course I am starting from 26th October, and MCQs of commerce with practicals as you have seen from 3rd October. Now, what are the benefits or what features you will be getting on joining the courses on Unacademy? See, it will be useful for all the NET JRF aspirants, because whatever your paper 2 is, okay, you can study that also under one subscription. If you will just take one subscription, you can study your paper 1, you can study any subject of your paper 2, prepare any subject from any educator. It's like that you have entered the Unacademy Plus. Now you can study from any educator and n number of educators. You can have a live interaction with us. You can watch live classes as well as the recorded classes in case you have missed any session, or in case you want to clarify your doubts or you want to revisit the session, then you can see the recorded class. But it's better to have a live interaction so that you can ask your doubts in class. And suppose even after the class if you study and you have doubt, then you can ask us in the doubt clearing session, which will be after every third lesson. So 3 lessons will be for the particular unit for the detailed course, and every fourth lesson of the course will be for the doubt clearing session. Quizzes will be there, MCQs will be there, theories will be given with example, PDF will also be given, so there is no need to buy any physical book, and there will be complete unit coverage, and free PDFs will be given for revision, and everything will be covered in simple basic English by us. And if you are not comfortable in English, you can study from any educator in Hindi also. We provide material, means educators provide material in Hindi also for the respective subjects. Now, if you subscribe on Unacademy Plus, then you have certain plans, okay, 1 month, 3 month, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So some students are confused that ma'am, whether we should take 3-month plan, 6 months plan, 12 month or 24 month. Fine, this is the most popular plan till now, 12-month plan, because see, NTA is a matter of NTA exams cover 20 subjects. So 20 subjects, or you can say 20 units, 10 in paper 1 and 10 in paper 2. So you need to complete your syllabus one time, you need to revise, you need to give mock test, which will be covered in the Unacademy Plus subscription only. You can check your overall performance in mock test every time. And if the exams will be after 7 months or 6 months and so on, then you can take 6 months or 12 months subscription, because you need to cover the whole syllabus at least at a time, okay, revise all the topics, do the PYQs, do the MCQs, so it will take time. Every single unit will be covered in depth, and they are taught by the top educators. So you can select your plan, and also see, if you take a 6 months plan or if you take a 12-month plan, then if you apply my referral code NIX28 and click on the apply button, then you will instantly get a 10% discount, and you have to pay only this much. Fine, instead of this much you have to pay this much. Fine, and there is just 2000 difference between 6 months and 12 months plan. So this is as per you, whatever you select, but don't forget to use my referral code to get your discount, okay. And all the links for the fresh batches, that is these batches, are given in the description below. My Unacademy link is also given on the description below, so you can study some special classes also, that is free live classes also. And the plus courses will cover a schedule, a detailed schedule. Accordingly you can plan your studies. You will get PDF only in plus classes. So plan your studies well, on time, do not wait. And from 3rd October we are starting the most important MCQs of commerce. So if you are a commerce student, don't forget to enroll in this course. Thank you so much. I hope that all the doubts are cleared, and still if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment box, and don't forget to like this video if this was informative for you. Thank you so much. Bye. All the best. See you in class on Unacademy.